Hey guys, it's Joe Jordanbikes. Look at this little beast. Triumph Bobber 1200. 2017 on a 17 plate, one owner bike, and it's only done 1,206 miles. Got some lovely little extras on it. It's got the Vance and Hines pipes when you come to them in a second. It's got this lovely leather and suede luggage. Eesh, that beautiful. Really nice bike. Adjustable seat on these as well. Really old looking, but you've got the modern technology with it. Like I said, 1,206 miles. It's got traction, ABS, 2 modes as well, road and rain mode. Give it a quick fire up for you. Sounds absolutely gorgeous. So, what are you waiting for? Get yourself down to Jordanbikes and get it bought. We'll see you very soon.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.